On March 18th, 1937, a massive explosion destroyed the new London Senior High School, instantly killing an estimated 296 students and teachers. The subsequent deaths of the victims from injuries sustained that day brought the final death count to 311. The explosion was blamed on a natural gas leak beneath the school building. Within weeks of the disaster, the Texas legislature passed a law requiring an odor to be added to natural gas, which previously was odorless, and therefore undetectable. This memorial to the victims of the New London explosion was erected in 1939. 19th, 1937, a terrible explosion happened at London Consolidated School here in London, Texas, or what is now known as New London, Texas. Over 300 lives were lost. We will not forget. Some unsafe practices were done back then, being that this is oil field country, and it was during the oil field boom that all this took place. A supply line was tapped into a natural gas line coming from one of the gas wells, and that's what was feeding all the gas appliances and heaters in the school. Prior to 1937, natural gas was odorless and was undetectable. What had happened was that the gas line sprung a leak and built up a pocket of gas, and it just took one spark. After that, Texas legislation enacted into law that an odor additive be added to natural gas. My name is Keith, and it is my mission to make sure that people don't forget history. I believe that history molds and makes us who we are today. The same year that the explosion happened, the new school, which is called New London Consolidated School, was erected immediately after the explosion. Today, it is known as West Rusk School.